To me, jazz means freedom. It means expression. It means patience. Jazz is something that you dedicate yourself to. It's something that you commit to, and you have to be open to for it to be open to you. My name is Kevon, and I'm a professional musician on Fiverr, currently residing in LA. I think the thing I enjoy most about being a freelance musician in particular is the collaborative aspect of it. I like being able to imagine what's going on in someone else's head and try to create my own take on that. It's something that you don't really get when you make your own music only for yourself. My preferred instrument is the tenor saxophone. I feel like a lot of masters have paved their own way with the saxophone, especially the tenor sax, and I just want to pave my own, I guess. So I've been always drawn to that. My favorite project on Fiverr is honestly one of my really early ones, probably. I did a song for an artist named Dear Quentin, and it was one of the first big projects I had done on Fiverr with like a lot of harmonies, a lot of parts. I was just so happy with how it turned out and like the feeling that we were both able to create through the song. I think compared to other genres, the thing I enjoy most about jazz is the diligence of it. One of the things jazz will always mean to me is just Black American music. It's a staple of Black American music, and of the hard work that these people put in, I just respect that a lot.